Hello, fellow Canadians. Today, I'm sharing essential mortgage life hacks to make your home buying journey as smooth as possible. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned homeowner, these tips can save you time, money, and stress. I'm Alexander Gasenko, your trusted Canadian mortgage broker. Let's dive right in. Life hack number 1. Beware of busy closing days. When choosing your date, you might be tempted to pick a Friday, the end of the month, or right before a long weekend. After all, who wouldn't want to move into their new home just in time for some days off? But here's the catch. These are the busiest times for banks and lawyers. This surge in activity can lead to delays, rushed paperwork, and last-minute stress that could dampen your excitement. By scheduling your closing midweek and avoiding these peak times, you give everyone involved more breathing room. This reduces the chances of any last-minute hiccups and helps ensure a smooth and stress-free transition into your new home. Life hack number 2. Shield yourself from appraisal surprises. In the home buying process, timing is crucial, and that includes when you schedule your property appraisal. Getting your appraisal done early can make a significant difference. Why? Because appraisals can sometimes come in lower than expected, and they're not an exact science. Different appraisers might value the same property differently based on various factors, including their personal impression. I've personally witnessed cases where 2 appraisals for the same property differed by as much as $80,000. By arranging for an early appraisal, you allow yourself the time to address any issues, seek a second opinion if necessary, and ensure your mortgage process stays on track. Life hack number 3. The hidden pitfalls of unverified funds. When it comes to your down payment, transparency is key. Banks and financial institutions are required by law to verify the source of your funds to prevent fraud and money laundering. This means they will scrutinize your bank statements for the past 30 to 90 days to ensure that all deposits are accounted for and legitimate. If you suddenly deposit a large sum of cash into your account, say that $10,000 you've been saving under your mattress, it can raise red flags and complicate your mortgage approval process. Unverified funds can lead to delays, additional paperwork, and even denial of your mortgage application. To avoid this, make sure your down payment funds are in your bank account well ahead of time, ideally at least 90 days before you apply for a mortgage. Remember, the more straightforward your financial records, the smoother your home buying journey will be. By the way, if you find these tips useful, take a second to like the video and hit the subscribe button. This helps us make more videos and you'll never miss an important mortgage update. Life hack number 4. The secret weapon against rising interest rates. In a market where interest rates can fluctuate without warning, securing a mortgage rate hold is a savvy move that can save you money and stress. By asking your mortgage broker to lock in a rate hold, you protect yourself against potential rate increases for up to 4 months while you search for your dream home. If rates go up during this period, you're safeguarded with a lower rate. If they go down, you still benefit from the decreased rate when you're ready to finalize your mortgage. It's a win-win situation with no drawbacks, except perhaps a little extra paperwork for your mortgage broker, that is. Life hack number 5. Steer clear of new financial obligations. While you're in the process of securing a mortgage, it's crucial to keep your financial picture as stable as possible. Taking on new credit, whether it's financing a new car or any other form of debt, can negatively impact your mortgage qualifications. Lenders assess your debt-to-income ratio to determine how much you can afford to borrow. New debts increase your monthly obligations, which can lower the amount you're eligible to receive for your mortgage, or even jeopardize your approval altogether. Instead of adding new financial burdens, focus on paying down existing debts like credit cards, student loans, or personal loans. Reducing your overall debt not only improves your credit score, but also increases your borrowing capacity for your mortgage. And remember, for a limited time, I'm offering a free 30-minute consultation to answer your personal mortgage questions. Just click on the link in the description to book your time slot. I'm Alexander Gasenko, your trusted Canadian mortgage broker. Until next time.